Hey, Smokey. What you doing today? Are you laying up there on this porch like a fat cat? Huh? What you doing, Smokey? Smokey. Tell everybody hey, Smokey. Smokey. Tell everybody hey. Look. Look. Tell everybody hey. You like being outside, huh? You like being outside? You're just laying up on that porch, aren't you? Okay. Well, if you're not going to talk to nobody, I did bring my house plants out here, and the peace plant has a bloom on it, just one. But I put this new concrete blocks down right here where the old steps used to be. And so we got all that done. This looks good out here now. Yard's all raked up for the most part. Okay, Smokey. Last chance. Last chance. Speak up. Hey. Hey. Hey, Smokey. Hey. You're not talking today? You're usually always talking. Okay, bye.